How to send dice to friends in Monopoly Go. So if you want to send dice to friends in Monopoly Go, then the first step is to open up your Monopoly Go application. So let me tell you one thing, that you can't send directly the dice to any one of your friends here in Monopoly Go. But don't worry, how to share or give a dice to your friend, or let's just say send a dice to your friend. Step one is you have to launch your Monopoly Go application. Now, if you click on any one of the buttons here, so here you can see that you don't have any option to send dice to your friends right here. So here you need to simply go for the friends, which is on the bottom. And then you can go for the upper right, which has that 3 bat icon. And you need to buy some dice. So before sending it to your friends, you need to buy the dice. And once you buy the dice, you can send it to your friends. You need to use your friend's account on your Monopoly Go to buy the dice. So if you buy the dice using your friend's account, then the dice will be on your friend's Monopoly Go. So that's the only way to send dice to your friends in Monopoly Go. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.